students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the solutions of exercise 7C from question 13 to 22 of lesson 7 ratio and proportion. In the I-link above I have shared the previous video of exercise 7C where we have solved some of the problems based on the properties of proportion. So let us solve some more problems using the properties of proportion of exercise 7C. So what are some of the useful results on ratio and proportion? First one is A by B equal to C by D. So if you inverse these ratios, it will be B by A equal to D by C. It is called as invertendo. Second is, it is a given ratio A by B equal to C by D. If you change the denominator of the first ratio to the numerator of the second ratio, it will become A by C equal to B by D. It is called as alternando. Same given ratio A by B equal to C by D. If you add the denominator to the numerator, so this will be A plus B by B equal to C plus D by D. That is called as the componendo. And if you subtract the denominator to the numerator, it is A minus B by B equal to C minus D by D. It is called as dividendo. And if you combine these two results, componendo and dividendo, so this will be, if you have to add the two terms to the numerator and subtract the same terms in the denominator. So it is A plus B by A minus B, and on the other side it is C plus D by C minus D. This is called as componendo and dividendo. So we will be using this componendo and dividendo far more times than the other results. So the question may be asked in the exam as using properties of proportions, solve the given equation or solve or find the value of x. So this question was asked in 2019 here. Let's start with question 13. If 16a minus x upon a plus x the whole cube equal to a plus x upon a minus x, we have to prove the value of x as a by 3. This was asked in 2019. So write the given thing here. Now this bracket you have to move to the other side. So this will be a plus x upon a minus x. This will be upon a minus x upon a plus x the whole cube and equal to 16. So now this will become, now this is addition in the numerator, so you have to change this one. So this will be a plus x upon a minus x. Write the addition in the numerator, a minus x, and this will become minus 3 here. Now since no power means 1 and this is minus 3, and since it is division, so this minus will go up, and you know minus for division you have to subtract. So minus minus will become plus, and this will be a plus x upon a minus x will be 1 plus 3. And therefore it is 16 equal to a plus x upon a minus x equal to 4. But 16 means 2 raised to 4 upon a plus x, a minus x raised to 4. So this 4 will get cancelled from both the sides. So what is remaining is 2 a plus x upon a minus x. Cross multiply. So 2a minus 2x equal to a plus x. Now bring the like terms together. So this will be 2a minus a equal to x plus 2x. So therefore it is a equal to 3x on this side. You know you have to find the value of x here, therefore x will be equal to a by 3, and this is the required result. Question 14 here is, if x equal to root of 2a plus 1 plus 2a minus 1 upon 2a plus 1 minus 2a minus 1, you have to prove that this equation equal to 0. This result you have to prove. Now since in some questions it was some number here, so we are taking 5 or 4 upon 1 like that. Now it is x here, so there also you have to take x by 1, and now apply the componendo and dividendo result. See, it is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to under root of 2a plus 1 plus 2a minus 1, and plus for componendo it is 2a plus 1 minus 2a minus 1, and the whole upon it is 2a plus 1 under root of plus 2a minus 1 minus 2a plus 1 minus 2a minus 1 under root of, and now you can cancel the same terms with opposite sign. So in the numerator this will get cancelled, and in the denominator this will get cancelled. So what's remaining is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to 2 times 2a plus 1 upon 2 times 2a minus 1, right? Okay, from here now again 2 will get cancelled, so its remaining is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equal to under root of 2a plus 1 under root of 2a minus 1. Now you have to remove the square root sign, so square on both the sides, so this will be x plus 1 the whole square upon x minus 1 the whole square equal to 2a plus 1 upon 2a minus 1. Write the square, its expansion. This is x square plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 2a plus 1 upon 2a minus 1. Again apply the componendo and dividendo result. So this is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 2a plus 1 plus 2a plus minus 1, this is minus 1, and here 2a plus 1 minus 2a minus 1. So from the numerator here on this side, what will get cancelled is 2x will get cancelled, and from the denominator it is x square will get cancelled, and plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. On the other side it is plus 1 minus 1, and here it is 2a. So write the remaining. It is 2x square plus 2 upon 4x equal to 4a by 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, take out 2 common. So this will be x square plus 1 upon 4x equal to 4a by 2. Now you can cancel out the coefficients here. This is 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So here it is x square plus 1 upon 2x equal to 2a upon 1, cross multiply. So this is x square plus 1 upon 4ax. Now take this 4ax on the other side, and this is the required result. Same thing where it is cube root. Okay, so apply the componendo and dividendo result here. Now from the numerator this term will get cancelled, and from the denominator this term will get cancelled. So here you have 2 times cube root of m plus 1 upon 2 times cube root of m minus 1. Here again 2 will get cancelled. Now you have to remove this cube root. So apply cube on both the sides. So this cube root will be removed. And now this is x plus 1 the whole cube. Write this expansion. It is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And for x minus 1 the whole cube, it is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to m plus 1 upon m minus 1. Again apply the C and D rule, componendo and dividendo. Here 3x square will get cancelled and 1 will get cancelled, and in the denominator it is cube will get cancelled, and this one 3x will get cancelled. On the other side it is 1, and here it is m. Okay. So these are the remaining things here. Now you can again cancel here 2, and if you take out common 2 from this side, here also 2 will get cancelled. Do the cross multiplication and bring all the terms to one side, and this is your required result. Question 18 here is, what quantity must be added to each of the term in the ratio a upon b, a is to b, to make it c by d? So this is the given equation here. Let the required quantity be k to be added to each of the term in the ratio a is to b. So a upon b should be added with k so as to get c by d. Now let us solve by using componendo and dividendo. So it will be a plus k plus b plus k upon a plus k minus b plus k equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Now from the denominator only k will get cancelled here. So what's remaining is a plus b plus 2k the whole upon a minus b equal to c plus d upon c minus d. Again apply the componendo dividendo. So a plus b plus 2k plus a minus b upon a plus b plus 2k minus a minus b equal to c plus d plus c minus d, c plus d and minus c minus d. So here what will get cancelled is plus b minus b will get cancelled from this side, and here a will get cancelled, here d will get cancelled, here c will get cancelled. So what's remaining is here 2a plus 2k, in the denominator it is 2b plus 2k upon 2 equal to 2c by 2d. So from everywhere, now here you can take 2 common, 2b plus k equal to 2c by 2d. So from all sides you can eliminate this 2. Okay, so you have a plus k by b plus k equal to c by d. Cross multiply, ad plus kd equal to bc plus kc. Bring the like terms together. So this will be ad minus bc equal to kc minus kd. Now from this side take out k common. So this is ad minus bc equal to k c minus d. Now you have to find the value of k, so therefore it is ad minus bc upon c minus d, and this is the required result. So this value of k should be added to a by b to get c by d. Question 19. This is the given ratio and they are equal. Here find the value of 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y. So write the given thing, bring the like terms together. So its result will be 3x minus 2x is x and this is 6y, therefore x by y is 6 by 1. Okay. Now here the coefficients are 3 and 5, so multiply by 3 by 5 to both the sides. So this will be 3x upon 3y equal to 3 by 5, not 3y, it is 3 by 5. 3 by 5, 6 upon 1, so this will be 18 upon 5. Okay. So 3x upon 5y equal to 18 upon 5. And now apply the componendo and dividendo pattern. So this is 3x plus 5y, 3x minus 5y equal to 18 plus 5 upon 18 minus 5, and that you get it as 23 by 13. So this is the value for the given equation. And these two results have been given here, these two ratios have been given as equal. You have to prove that a by b equal to c by d. So this is the given thing. Apply the componendo and dividendo pattern here. This is all one thing only. Now from this side it is 3b will get cancelled. Here 3b will get cancelled, and d 6d will get cancelled, and from this a will get cancelled and c will get cancelled. From this side it is b will get cancelled, here d, and in this case it is a and it is c. So these are the remaining things. Okay. Now this is the variables are different here. It is a and c in the numerator and b and d in the denominator. So you have to use the result alternando here. And now this is the required pattern to solve the proportion by applying componendo and dividendo form. Okay. So 2a plus 4c upon 2a minus 4c equal to 6b plus 12d upon 6b minus 12d. Now in this step only you can take out the 2 common or the highest common factor number as common and eliminate it, or otherwise you can do it here also. So from this 4c will get cancelled and 2a will get cancelled here. Here 12d and 6b will get cancelled. You have 4a upon 8c equal to 12b upon 24d. So this is 4 1s are 4 2s are and 12 1s are 12 2s are. Okay. So a upon 2c equal to b upon 2d. Now we want a by b. So again apply the result of alternando here. it is a by b equal to 2c upon 2d. Again 2 will get cancelled. So this is the required result. Question 22 here is, it is given these two ratios are equal. Using a componendo dividendo, you have to find the value of x is to y. This was asked in 2015 here. So this is the given result. Apply the componendo and dividendo result here. Now this equation is of the form x plus 2 the whole cube. This is the expansion of x minus 2 the whole cube. This is the expansion of y plus 3, and this is the expansion of y minus 3 the whole cube. Now all the brackets are of whole cube, so we can remove these cubes from all the sides. So you have x plus 2 upon x minus 2, y plus 3 upon y minus 3. Again apply componendo dividendo result. So here plus 2 minus 2 and x, from here 3, and from here y will get cancelled. So you have 2x upon 4 equal to 2y by 6. So this is 2 1s are 2 2s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So this is x by 2 equal to y by 3. Now you want x by y, it will be equal to 2 by 3. So the value of x upon y is 2 by 3. Okay. So now this was the last question of the exercise or of the lesson, ratio and proportion. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.